How y'all doing? Welcome to Southern Outdoors. If you got the last episode, I was viciously attacked by this here raccoon. And Elroy, running like a little girl, left me to fend for myself. But as many of you know, I'm an expert in hand-to-hand combat with wild animals. And it's I got some battle scars. I'm not gonna lie to you. He got me. My left testicle's gonna be swole for a while, but that's okay. I got another one. And I'm gonna have to take a shit standing up. But the battle was won. And I became the victor. And you see my trophy? Yeah. So just so you know, if you see a raccoon, don't mess with him. Don't mess with him, folks. They a mean some bitch. You got to know what you're doing. You got to be a professional like me. So, I will be teaching these classes come January 2015. You can go to my website, I ain't set it up yet, but I'm gonna. And when I do, you can come down here to outside of Auburn, Big Swamp, Alabama, and we will teach you how to catch these critters. And, boy, that thing hurts. But y'all have a good day, and we'll see you on the next episode.